we will see an overview of the agroBRIDGES project and the toolbox. And then we will look at each of the categories of tools. There are 4 categories: digital tools, communication materials, training materials, and event organization tools. agroBRIDGES project was born out of the need to promote the adoption of short food supply chains in the European Union, as they bring important economic, social, and environmental benefits for sustainable development. And the agroBRIDGES Toolbox is developed to help all stakeholders in the agricultural sector to make the most of short food supply chains, and it's composed of a collection of 12 practical tools to bring producers and farmers closer to consumers. The agroBRIDGES Toolbox can be accessed directly from the project website, and it's available in 12 different languages. The 4 categories into which the tools are divided are 4: digital tools, communication materials, training materials, and the last one, event organization materials. A guide on how to use the toolbox is also available on the Toolbox website in these 12 languages, where each tool is explained more in detail. The structure of the guide for each category of tools is: the first one, how to find the category; the next one, the objective of the tool; the description of the tool; and the last one, how to use the tool. Now we will look at each of these categories and the objective and description of each of the tools. The how to use the tool section is available in the guide, and we will see this section of the guide only in the first tool as an example, because the rest of the tools follow the same process. The first category is digital tools, which includes 4 tools. To find this category, we should go to the Toolbox website, accept cookies, and select the preferred language. And it's important to know that to access the tool, you need to be registered and log into your account. And once inside, you can select the digital tool image to access these tools. The first digital tool is the decision support tool. The objective of this tool is to support farmers in their exploration of new business models in the short food supply chains and sales channels. With this tool, the farmer will receive recommendations about the most suitable business models and sales channels for them based on their own information. Also, the tool evaluates environmental, social, and economic impact of different sales channels. Below is the how to use the tool section available in the guide. As mentioned above, this section will only be shown in this first tool, as the rest of the tool follow the similar steps. In the guide, you will find step-by-step instruction on how to use each of the tools. In this case, step 1 is to select the farm image and complete the information required in each of the section. As we can see, the first one is the location. The next step is to repeat the same process of filing in the required information, in this case for the producer and activity image. Step 4 is to click on the analysis button and explore the results. In this case, the results are in a graphical form, and linked documents are also available. And the business models and sales channels considered in this analysis are 5: community support agriculture, face-to-face, online trade, retail trade, and improved logistics. As we have seen in the image, the guide explains step by step how the guide works with the corresponding image of each of the steps, and is available in the 12th language. The second digital tool is the agroBRIDGES Net tool. And in this case, the objective is to create a network where users can express their needs and at the same time offer available facilities. So the agroBRIDGES Net tool is an online space that brings together local agri-food actors to cooperate and create more powerful short food supply chains. This tool allows you to share resources and infrastructures and connect local agri-food business. The third digital tool is the Smart Delivery tool. And this tool connects producers and consumers, allowing consumers to express their needs and producers to identify new opportunities. So this tool is for both consumers and producers, and the connection takes place in an online space created for this purpose. The last digital tool is the Hear My Voice tool. And this tool is also an online space that allows the change of ideas for new products and services. This tool has two categories: consumer side users and business side users. And this tool allows to propose ideas for new products and services and to discover the specific needs of consumers in your region. In addition, this tool shows how to use crowdfunding platform as an alternative method to fund ideas. The next category is communication tools, in which we can find 5 different tools. And to find this category, as in the previous case, it's necessary to access the Toolbox website, select the preferred language, and log in. The first communication tool is Why Am I Special? And the objective of this tool is to identify the producer's unique selling points. And also this tool provides communication materials to develop branding, identity, and market position. On the right, you can see an example of the communication material generated. And in this tool, you also find a short video on the website explaining how it works step by step. The second communication tool is Yes, You Can. This tool is composed of 12 success stories of short food supply chains in Europe, with the aim of inspiring and learning about other practice and acquiring knowledge. You can read more information about each success studies in the developed paper available in the Toolbox website. The next communication tool is Label Me. And this tool shows the importance of food labels and current regulation in the European Union. In addition, labeling increases demand for products and helps consumers make decisions. Therefore, this tool is also for both consumers and producers. And on the right, you can see the guide developed for food labeling. The fourth communication tool is the Know Your Local Food tool. And the main objective of this tool is to create awareness and educational material, and also webinar to explain the importance of local consumption. And the last communication tool is the We Need Local Food tool. The objective of this tool is to develop a visual social media guide to promote the use of the We Need Local Food hashtag, as well as recommendation and best practice guidelines for social media. And you can see these guidelines on the right. The third category of tools is training materials, where only one tool is included, support for food procurement. To find this category of tool, you can follow the steps in the previous cases detailed in the guide. And this tool, Support for Food Procurement, is an online training and awareness program to guide policymakers and public food procurers. There are two separate programs for producers and public organizations to implement tendering process and participate in this process. And the last category is event organization tool that include two different tools. Once again, the initial step to locate this category is similar to the previous ones. The first tool in this category is Let's Build our Short Food Supply Chains. And the objective of this tool is to support the organization of local events to bring together agri-food actors. In this tool, we provide you with a guide and a few suggestions for platform providers. If you want to run your own large online and matchmaking events. And for example, we recommended platforms like Brella, Jubilo, or Swagcar. So this tool is designed for the organization of online events. The last tool in the agroBRIDGES toolbox is the Let's Meet tool that supports the organization of local events to celebrate and promote local products, remarkable people, and stories. In this tool, you can find templates, description, and proportional materials, which you can adapt according to the needs of your events. The tool focuses on four different types of events that are open days, producer events, culinary events, and local heroes events. And in the Toolbox website, you can read more information about each type of these tools. Sorry, of these events. For example, in this slide, you can see some templates that have been developed, such as the event monitoring and the invitation to one type of these events. With this information, we finish this global vision of the agroBRIDGES toolbox. Remember that in the guide, you will find all the detailed information step by step. And if you have any question, you can contact us through the email that appears on the screen. And finally, if you are interested in learning more about the project, feel free to follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter, and visit the project website. Thank you.